have with us like one of our Skill Elevate online student, Srijani, and she just completed NIOS 12th standard exam. So, Srijani, welcome. Thank you. Like maybe before starting our conversation, you just let little bit tell us that about yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Srijani. I've been a homeschooler after my eighth grade. Till then, I was going to normal school, but then later on, we as a family decided that I want to learn more than just what school teaches me. So that's when we started our open learning journey as part of Aruhi Life Education, which is also an alternative education space with it's like a community which of all unschoolers, homeschoolers coming together and learning and growing in ways we want to. So that we I started my schooling journey. I was doing different things. I used to enjoy baking, dancing, instruments, and craft and art. Something I was very fond of and doing. Then I was not very sure what I wanted to do in my future. Me to I want to give my 10th or if I want to give my 12th and all of that. I had no clue. So my parents were like, why not just give it a try? And a voice is there where I can just do it by myself. There's no, as such, I don't have to physically be present in my school or listen or spend almost 6 to 8 hours in school. That was not necessary because if I did go to school, I didn't have time for all the other extracurricular activities that I was doing. So that's when we decided, okay, then as a side hustle, I can just do my 10th and 12th. I'll get my certificate. And also, I was also not sure what I wanted to do. So why waste time when I can just do it? That was the whole idea for me to give my 10 boards. So yeah, that's a little about the backstory of me joining NIOS.
I've been supporting you from 10th standard itself. That's
Yeah.
where we could help.
The struggle was real for us during my 10th class. We had no updates about what was the authentic information about NIOS because we didn't have any authority like a school or so for us to tell everything. I was on my own. The updates and notifications were laggy to reach us, or even I was not very fond of checking mails and all of that. So it was very hard for me to get any updates. Nor there was no proper guidance basically, like which subjects I have to choose, what would may work and what would not work and things like that. So Skill Elevate was like such a life savior for me for my 12th grade. I discussed what kind of subjects I can take with you. It just gives a reassurance for me also because someone who have a little more experience are like telling me or giving advice like experts like you. So that really helped me to pick my subjects and then later on get all the updates and notifications. And there was in between this whole thing of bifurcation of syllabus and things like that. Few YouTube channels it says read everything. There's nothing like that in few YouTube channels. Something it's just so hard to understand what is true and what is not. So Skill Elevate like early helped me in that time. And since it's also like a community, there are other people who want, let's say, books that we can exchange or the study sessions that kept happening. So that was something that was really helpful for me during my journey with NIOS and Skill Elevate. Because if you and I get constant updates about what's happening around, like what kind of workshops, what kind of programs are happening. So it just gives me a bigger exposure to the world. Okay, this is also happening. Okay, this is also happening. And all like a lot of learning opportunity, a lot of doors open for me for my learning too because of Skill Elevate.
Basically, like we being online, it helps you or students like you also like access it anytime. It is not that you need to stop something, go some places and do that. Like whenever you have time, you can do that. And to update you more, like now we have astrophysics club, we have math club, we have DIY club, we have a AI club. Means AI is the new thing, so of course we have a Sanskrit club like for the purist. Of course, NIS is there. We have like now we can support the all the subjects, and we are now supporting with like some of the schools also who are supporting NIS. So we are working with that. So that's also is happening. So now, as right now,
Yeah,
like
it's
what
like
is your next
I
plan?
recommended own business of healthy
Yes,
baking brand. So
right.
I want to do something like that. but I felt I needed majorly three things, like three skills that I wanted to develop, which are
Right.
business, like business management skills, baking, like technical skills, and food
Right.
and nutrition kind of skills, because I need to understand the human body and how each ingredients plays out with the person also for me to make healthy treats. So these three
Yes.
main core things. But learning three by myself is gonna be a task. So I thought I'll take up BBA course for my business skills, like to business for my business management skills and marketing. So around those lines, I wanted to take this, and I want to do a few internships around baking and start off my home bakery, so that whatever I learn from the business school, I can just keep applying it on my home bakery so that I get constant practical knowledge also through what I'm learning. And I thought I'll just read books for nutritional skills. So that's how I planned my next year, few that I'll join. And also, I wanted some friends. Homeschooling sometimes can get, especially because we recently shifted to this new place. Before I had friends, but now it's a new place and I have no clue where to start and make friends on. So I felt college could be a good time for me to have just some peers along. That's all. I'm just doing it as a side thing, not to get 100% marks or get 80% of attendance or something like that. But
Yeah.
yeah, that's my plan for the next. And I was everyone were very open to take in. Like we were at the start little hesitant that maybe for NIOS people, not every college might accept, but nothing was like that. Like two, three colleges I've approached and they said yes. I guess one college was like little dilemma. Then we showed that article that was published about saying it is also valid. Then they were like, okay.
But I think you touched a very good point, like why the parents who are opting for NIS have a concern that whether passing from NIS it will be valid or not. So it's great.
Yeah.
Of course, as you kindly said, like your passion led to things. Now, right now, you are clear. Means, of course, nobody can be clear like how their life would go, but at least you know that this is the skills you have, and then you want to try with according to your strengths. You are looking forward, or they want to have a question for homeschooling or open learning or like alternative education as per se.
I would just say go for it. You will
Right.
find your way. I think it's on me. I am responsible for that. So it kind of automatically builds a guilt on my head, like, oh, I'm not doing anything. And then it goes in a way, all we need is a little support, like Skill Elevate or from my parents who are like constantly there with me, pushing me out through these small challenges or hurdles that I get.
Thank you so much for joining, and all the best for your future, all and your endeavors. Yes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much, Uncle. It was a lot of gratitude to it.